Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Aristano and I'm here to teach you guys about how to block websites. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to choose Google Chrome. And that's the standard for a lot of devices that have been given out for students now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the Google and we're going to look for a website called Block Site Chrome Extension. As you guys can see, I have it here already, but if you don't, just make sure this is the site that you're looking for. Block Site Chrome Extension. After we look for that and we click on it, we're going to look for the chrome.google.com and it's going to say block site website blocker for Chrome. This is going to be an extension for your Google Chrome. And a lot of times it's Google Chromebooks that we're working with. So if we're in the Chrome Web Store, we're in the right place. As you can see here, Chrome Web Store. And one thing we want to make sure is that we have an account linked in just to make sure that we're able to download it. And it's a free website. It's called Block Site Website Blocker for Chrome. It's just an extension. And you can take a quick look at it if you want to read it over. If you don't, then that's fine as well. So what we're going to do is add to Chrome. And this is going to start the automatic process of downloading it. Now it's asking me if I want to go ahead and download this extension. And we're going to click on Add Extension. Now it's downloading. And once you're finished downloading, this site will pop up saying, thank you for installing Block Site. You guys can go ahead and read that over if you guys want to. If not, just click I accept. So it's also going to give you an option to buy a plan, but that's not necessary. So we're going to go ahead and skip it over. We're going to click on skip on the top right. Okay, now it's going to go to the main app website extension. It says start adding your websites to block any list. So let's go ahead and try it out. So what we're going to do is in this bar here, we're going to type in a website. Let's say, for example, Facebook. A lot of people use Facebook and a lot of children do as well. So you see this green icon here with a plus sign. We're going to go ahead and click that. And now we're going to add that site to our block sites website. So what we're going to do is click on a new tab and we're going to try to see if we could use Facebook. Facebook.com. And now this pops up. It says no way Jose, meaning that now it is blocked. So let's go back to the other tab and see if we can add something else. I say maybe YouTube. I know a lot of youth are using YouTube. So what we're going to do is put youtube.com and again click the plus sign. And now we're going to add that as well. So it says site added. That's the same Facebook tab. We're going to click on a new tab and see what happens after this. So we're going to go ahead and put youtube.com on our URL. Now it's blocked as well. It says forget about it. So it already tells you that the block site extension is blocking it. As you can see here, it's the same website, same logo here. So we're just blocking it. One interesting thing is that on the right corner it says edit your list. If you click on that, it will take you automatically to the same page as the block site kind of format, kind of the navigation of the system. So right now I just clicked it off. I took one off and we're going to click on YouTube, and what we did here was we took it off and we could watch it again, watch all these things. But we're going to go back and we're going to put it back. So we're going to add that again, green plus sign. Again, the way to take websites off if you want people to use them, just click on the red minus sign. So you can add any more websites. There's a lot of different things, password protection, work mode. So let's go ahead and click on them. You can surf around it. There's a lot of different things, block by words. Reality just depends how you want to utilize it. I'm just saying it the easiest way possible. One thing that I do want to mention is the password protection. And the reason why is because there's a lot of different things. So right here is required password to access block sites. Protect your this block site options in the Chrome extension page with a password. I honestly would utilize this because if a child is really smart, they're gonna take it off. So let's set up an email and password to activate this. Now the first one that I clicked, protect your preferred block site options, just so they won't be able to change anything on that website. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my email and sign up, samuel@techexchange.org. And just for this trial, I'm just gonna put a random password. It says minimum 5 characters, so I'll just put something, maybe something not that difficult, or at least for whatever you want to use it for, or whatever password you want. Put a quick password. We're gonna save it. Now it's checking me if I'm a robot or not. We're gonna put no, I'm not a robot. Select all squares. So I'm gonna look for all the squares for the crosswalk. Okay, verification required. Now this is just telling me that they sent me something to my email and I need to click the link to make sure that the password goes through. I'll press OK. And now what I'm going to do is go to my Gmail and gmail.com and kind of look for that link. So off the bat, it says block site in the first message. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. It says verify block site, verify your email. Click on it. And what I'm going to do now is verify my email just to make sure that my video block sites is now active. Excuse me, my block site's now active, my extension. So it's saying that it's active now. And I could update the email or password, but I already have it all set up. So what I'm going to do now is try to go to facebook.com because that's one of the websites that I put blocked. Now it says here that it's blocked, so that's a good job that we actually did the right thing. So I'm gonna go try to click on the edit your list. Haha. Now you can't change things if you don't have a password. So this will limit children trying to change what is optional and what not. I would recommend this. If you have a toddler, maybe not. Okay, now it's letting me go back in after I put my password. Again, this is where you delete the websites in case you don't want them to be blocked no more. Now I don't have any. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them back. I just wanted to show you guys one more time how to add them and how to delete them. So I'm gonna put Facebook and YouTube.com and Facebook. Those are the main ones that a lot of people use. Maybe Instagram is another one. So as you guys see again, I put Facebook.com, I added it again. And you can't. And just so you guys could take a look, the reason why I told you guys to take a look at the password protection, it just adds an extra barrier for people trying to kind of not, just an extra protection, just an overall, especially for children. They're smart, so you don't want them changing it. So that's it, you guys.